What if the arena was fluid flowing? This is Splash, a game where you don't shoot your enemies, you steal their stream. Each player has a spigot at the top and a hole at the bottom. Your job is to build dams and ramps in an attempt to get their color to drain through your hole. When opponent fluid flows through your drain, that's how you score points and how you win. Your own color doesn't score in your drain. It only hurts you if there's a tie. Build with a recharging power meter shown on the left. Building is cheap, but destroying is a little more costly. The edges always seep, so every dam is a puzzle, not a wall forever. 1 to 4 players, human or AI. Dial the viscosity from water spray to maple syrup piles, then race the clock. Redirect, steal, splash. Link is in the description. See you in the soup.